Today we're gonna unbox some of the Burberry pieces, and I got them on major sale, and let me show it to you guys. See right there? So let's start unboxing. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I want to unbox with you some pieces from Burberry. I usually shop at Burberry twice a year, in summer and in winter when they have sale. I love Burberry quality. I mean, mostly I buy ready to wear from Burberry, though I used to have Burberry handbag, and believe me, they are really good quality. I have also Burberry shoes, boots, and not only me, some shirts for my husband, jackets for my husband, for my daughter. I have several pair of shoes, t-shirts, men t-shirts, you name it, scarves, hats, you name it. But this time around, I actually got 4 pieces, but the last one I sent it back, and I don't want to do unboxing with the items that I want to keep, but I maybe do honorable mention why I actually sent it back, that specific piece. But this is the one that looks like gonna stay in my collection, and let's start it. And it's funny because when Burberry before used to do sales, it was always everything 50% off. But right now it seems some of the items they may discount like 50%. Some of the items they just discount about, I don't know, 30% or so. I guess it's not fair, but I mean, I guess they have to make living as well. They have to make their own money. And you know, lately Burberry, before Burberry used to have kind of brownish, almost kind of golden looking boxes. Now they have these kind of bluish boxes, which is like, you know, a different packaging. So obviously over here it's a receipt and the form if I decided to return. And again, it's funny how they kind of minimizing expenses. Even the ribbons kind of getting slimmer. Also the pair of the items that I returned, it's just like Burberry on the box. It was actually the shoes, and the funny things about the shoes, because previously I was also kind of surprised, but they were from now on include only one dust bag with their shoes, but it's a different story. So first the item, so let's do an unboxing. So kind of like, you know, ripping off, and I'm gonna show you the item. And I try from now on kind of get more if I may use word basic items, because before I was trying always get something exciting, something interesting, and then I noticed that some of these exciting and interesting items just sitting in my closet. Nevertheless, this is just a sweater and it's very hard to see, but on the sleeves they have slightly different texture comparing to the main body. Then you have, okay, let me just show, you have the obviously like a turtleneck, and over here I thought almost like they forgot the stitch, but that's actually design, and it's kind of open up in the middle. Somewhat reminds for me for one of the Hermes piece when they used to have, and I think it's very nice, so you can put some kind of like twillies or even like kind of chunky necklace. And then right there at very bottom they have this Burberry logo, obviously, and again it's very discreet. And let me see the fabric. I believe it was wool and cashmere, but let me just double check. And again, like, you know, sometimes some of the items that it's not made in Italy, they discount a little bit more. So anyway, it looks like it's 50% wool, 34% polyester, and 1% polyamide, and there is something else, yes, and there is a alpaca. This specific item also made in Italy, As I said, quite often they discount less for items made in Italy, but to be honest, I'm not so particular on where the item is made, as long as this item will look nice on me, and as long as I'm gonna have a good wear out of the item, I always, like, you know, buy. I don't care where it's made. But I mean, usually it's like they discount a little bit less if the item made in Italy. So this is the first item, and it's funny, I always shop obviously winter items because they're on sale in summer, and vice versa. In winter quite often I shop summery items. So this is the first item, and I'm very happy because clearly just a basic black sweater that clearly I'm gonna have a good wear. So another receipt, another packaging. Okay. Ooh. If so, I maybe speed up again the items. So I'm gonna open up. This is more summery blouse, and that's how the blouse look like. It has a little bit of the sleeves, and it looks like very neutral beige blend with their classic print. And further it goes down, the print is getting kind of more amplified and kind of more visible, kind of almost gradual effect. Very simple t-shirt. So let me see. So it says that it's made of 70% organic cotton, and this specific item is made in Portugal. And this is kind of like a cotton and elastan blend. It kind of has like slight ruching at the end, and I'm kind of like, you know, not sure if I should keep this one. Obviously I wish if they had the opposite, if they kind of had more kind of like a check mark on top and the gradual almost like coming to nothing at the bottom, but they decided to play otherwise. But still, it's very neat item. Again, I believe this item not were like full 50% off, and it was just like, you know, at very short time got to the website, which is also, you have private sale, private linked site, and it was only one size large, and I decided to get it. It's okay, it's kind of a little bit loose on me, but nothing wrong with loose. So I'm kind of thinking about this one, but most likely I'm gonna keep it because to me it's like very classy print. And then I have the last item for you guys to unbox. Okay, again, as usual, the receipts, they always have receipts, and it's also not only just the receipt but the return form as well. So, and this one, I'm also extremely excited about this item. Just gonna drop box right there. And this is another sweater. Very simple. It's kind of, on the website they call it green color, but it's not green. It's kind of it's not even military green. It's kind of gray with greenish undertone. I think there is, Hermes has their kind of like a color. I forgot what that kind of word, something like, you know, color that it almost looks like a gray in dark, like, or in less setting, but if you put like direct light on it, and right now I have obviously emphasized lighting, so if there is no light, it's almost looking like a dark gray, and it has just a little bit accent over here, like, you know, on the neckline, and just very simple. Very simple sweater. I'm so happy. And again, As I said, it was just popped at the website for literally 1 second, because when it's sale, I always monitor the private sale, because sometimes some items extra popping up, and it was in my size, it's size medium, and I just kind of grabbed it right away. So this item is made in, I think it's made also in Portugal. The other one was made in Portugal, and this one I think made in Portugal or Romania. No, this one is made in Romania. Yeah, hopefully it's visible. And this one is consists of wool, polyamides, elastan. Yes, mostly it's actually 100% wool. I'm assuming it's a body, 100% wool, and then the trimming is polyamide and elastan. So which is like really, really cool. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. So excited. I'm very, very excited to wear these items. The last items that I actually sent it back, in my previous Burberry sale, I had sneakers, and I actually love Burberry. I have Burberry sneakers, I have Burberry boots, and my daughter has a Burberry shoes, my husband has a Burberry shoes and sneakers. They are very, very high quality. And my previous sneakers, it's funny because I literally purchased them, they were brand new, and I decided to travel in them to Portugal like this winter when I had my vacation, and it was shocked me, but I had the whole day trip. I mean, there was some kind of rubbing here and there, but keeping in mind that they were brand new, I was like so happy with them. They were absolutely perfect. But this time around, it was a little bit different model, like, you know, the shape of the shoes totally different, and I kind of find them a little bit more skinnier and the longer, because even the size seems to me a little bit bigger, and they were absolutely white sneakers. I'm gonna include pictures, and I was actually looking for the white sneakers, but frankly I find them too plain, if I may. It's like there is nothing that kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm excited to wear these sneakers. And even on sale, and even though I know it's very, very good quality, usually Burberry shoes, I decided to send them back because it doesn't make sense to me. Like, you know, the shoes doesn't inspire you to dress up, like, you know, why buy them even on sale? Because even on sale it's like more than $1,000 plus taxes, etc. So it doesn't make sense. I sent them back, but the main reason, if let's say they would have fit okay, I would have still left them, because it's just the white sneakers. I find them, they kind of like more skinnier and longer. Like my front toe had so much space, and they kind of like had kind of unbalanced fit, if I may. So this is my pieces, and again guys, if you love Burberry stuff, I highly advise you to kind of sign up for their private sale, because they usually send you private invitation, because on the website if you go it doesn't show sale, it's only private invitations, and you can get like really cool items. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. And one more honorable mention, because I have right now a good collection of Max Mara sweaters, and I have Burberry sweaters and Burberry ready to wear, and I have to tell you guys with 100% probability that Burberry quality is much higher compared to Max Mara, specifically in sweater. I don't know, maybe there are some certain lines in Max Mara that kind of like a little bit higher quality, but I find like Max Mara, they how I may say, they kind of look like the average quality. It just kind of like average quality, and they have slapped that Max Mara logo. Anyway, it's supposed to be like fun unboxing, not just kind of like, you know, talking about all of this. Thank you very much guys. Most likely I'm gonna include also my styling, so let me know what you think of my styling. If you like those the way I styled my items. And I guess that's about it, and I will see you on my next one.